Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So 5 years ago, I made a quick review video of this little powerhouse, the Joyoung automatic soy milk maker, and it has gotten surprisingly a lot of views and comments, and so today I thought it would be interesting to make another review to revisit this little gadget after 5 years of regular use. Is it still holding up, or would I still recommend it in 2025? So let's dive in. Now let's start with the obvious. This machine is still going strong. The buttons are responsive. The stainless steel interior has held up beautifully, and even the blade is as sharp as day one. Now honestly, I am impressed. Now, one of the things that I love back then and still do is how simple it is to use it. You just need to soak your soybean, toss them in, press a few buttons, and boom, about 30 minutes, you're done. You've got yourself a freshly made soy milk. So let's make a batch together. Here's how it works. I soaked these soybeans overnight, pop them into the machine, add water up to the max line, and hit the soy milk button. Now in about 25 minutes, the machine does all the grinding, heating for you. It even beeps when it's done. Super easy. And here is the result. Silky, smooth soy milk ready to drink or use in other recipe. Over the years, I've used this machine to make soy milk, rice milk, or almond milk, and it has been super versatile and the cleanup is super quick. Speaking of cleanup, it's pretty straightforward. The interior rinses out nicely, and the filter-free design means no scrubbing tiny mesh screens. Just a quick rinse and wipe, and you are good to go. Now I know a lot of you had questions in my original videos like is it noisy? Well, it is not whisper quiet, but it's more like a blender on a low setting, so it's manageable. Another question sometimes I get is that is it gonna overheat or is it easy to break down? Well, so far so good. These things hasn't happened to me, touch wood. So it has been a workhorse in all these years. I do make sure to descale it once a while, especially if you have hot water. Regular maintenance definitely helps with longevity. So would I still recommend this particular Joyoung soy milk maker after 5 years? Well, absolutely yes. It is still a very reliable machine, a fantastic option for someone who are looking to make fresh soy milk at home. Now, sure, there are fancier, newer models with tons of extra functions, but if you are just looking for something reliable and get the job done, this one is a totally reasonable option, and you don't need a lot of these extra functions that they have in those newer models. At least for me, this one's still very reliable and get the job done, and it's hard to beat. Now, thank you very much for watching. I do want to let you know that Joyoung did not sponsor me, but if you want to pick one up for yourself, I do have an Amazon affiliated link in the description box below, and if you buy it through that link, I do get a small commission of it. Well, thank you very much for watching again, and if you have any questions about this machine, leave it in the comments. Let me answer it. Let me know what I haven't covered. And that's everything for today, and so I hope to see you in my next video. And don't forget, like, subscribe for more contents like these kitchen thing, cooking DIY, and as well as my travel. Alright, time to enjoy this soy milk. See you next time.